peeps, Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. We're going to be having a look at a Natural Sciences Life and Living Grade 9 question taken from the November 2013 ECE question paper. So let's have a look. We're looking at question 1.5, and the question reads, which of the following is a main function of the heart? Okay, so we know that the main function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body, okay, transporting oxygenated and deoxygenated blood throughout the body. Now let's have a look at the other answers and why they're incorrect. C is not correct because what gives the cell its shape is a cell wall. Okay, so that's incorrect. B is incorrect because this is a function of the digestive system, as well as A is also a function of the digestive system. So the heart is not responsible for physical manipulation of solid foods. That would be a little weird. Okay, so that's that for question 1.5. The main function of the heart is to pump blood. Alright, but before I go, let me say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them in the description below. And also be sure to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.